Welcome our friends. Today we are in the best tourist place in Kallar of Kerala state. It is also known as Kashmir of Kerala. It is a hill station of Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala in India. It is located 53 kilometers northeast of Thiruvananthapuram city. This is the best tourist place. So come with us. Hello friends, this waterfalls is called Meenmutty Waterfalls. Meenmutty is a combination of Malayalam words. Meen means fish and Mutty means blocked. This is very good surveillance. This is the best time of visit here from October to May. Entry fee only rupees 30 each person. Timing to entry 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
नीचे नहीं लिए हैं फोटो कैमरामैन शूटिंग श्रोता
Hello guys, River Kallar is the third longest river in the South Indian state of Kerala. Kallar originates in the forests of Rani Reserve in the eastern part of Pathanamthitta district. As the name implies, the river bed is mostly stony. It flows its entire length through rich forests before merging with River Pamba. The river supports rich diversity of plants and animals. We will continue.
Stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and